how to fix CapCut lag. It's very simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. The very first step you want to try doing is move into your application CapCut. If it is not working, then refresh the page by closing off the tab and then reopen it. Once done, the next thing you want to do is head over to your App Store. Search for CapCut at the very top. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application CapCut, and then move into it. Now what you want to do is click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on CapCut, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.